Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm super excited to announce that today we are kicking off a brand new playlist MS-102 Microsoft 365 Administrator. This playlist is designed to take you from the fundamentals to the advanced administrator level skills, covering everything you need for this expert level certification. What the exam includes, why it is all valuable, and how you can confidently master everything step by step. Throughout the series, we will be exploring the entire M365 admin ecosystem, how to set up and manage a tenant, how identity and access work with Microsoft Intra, how to protect your environment using M365 Defender, and how to manage governance and compliance using Microsoft Purview. Whether you're starting your journey in cloud administration or you are an IT professional looking to sharpen your M365 skills, this playlist has been built with you in the mind. My goal is to give you clear explanation, hands-on demonstration, real-world admin scenarios, and exam-focused guidance so you can build confidence, apply everything that you learn, and ultimately succeed as a Microsoft 365 administrator. So if you're ready to level up your M365 expertise, grow your career, and get fully certification ready, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into the MS-102 world together.